Hello and welcome to our Carnegie Club of Success. My name is Siddharth Shah. I am the CEO of Think and Grow Rich Academy. Today we have got a very interesting personality with us who is just entered our Carnegie Club of Success, and his name is Rikin Miyani. Rikin, thank you so much for joining.
Hi, Siddharth.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm great, awesome. Thank you so much. I'll just briefly give an introduction of Rikin. Rikin Miyani is a very successful entrepreneur. At a very young age, he has achieved a lot of things in his business life. He is the CEO of Shriji NX, which is an exclusive leader in bridal wear, casual wear, a wholesaler and an exporter. So he's been there, done that, and he's doing superb in his business. And when he entered the business, when he entered our academy, he had a different challenge, and that's what we are going to talk about it today. That how Think and Grow Rich principles can be applied to make your life much better. So welcome, Rikin. I'm so happy to see your success story. Great, thank you so much. So Rikin, when you entered the academy, what was the key challenge for you at that time, and what was the real objective and the key concern that what area of life was not working for you?
My main key concern was to become positive about my personal life.
Okay.
I was very pessimistic regarding my personal life, and I used to worry a lot. I used to think a lot in a negative manner about my personal life. But after I joined the academy, my life has changed in a very positive manner.
Amazing, great. Thank you so much for your kind words. And yes, we are missing our live sessions because of this pandemic.
Yes.
Yeah, right, wonderful. So tell me briefly about that. What was the key challenge? Why was the attitude not up to the mark? And what was the background before you came into the academy?
Because of some, I used to think a lot. I also read the book How to Stop Worrying and Start Living by Dale Carnegie, and it really helped me. And I combined it with the principles of Think and Grow Rich. My life really got changed when I combined both the principles together and I implemented them. Because otherwise, if I have not read these books, my life would not have been same. My challenges were mainly about my thinking in a negative manner regarding my personal life.
Right.
And I really needed some motivation from somebody, which Siddharth gave me.
Right. So thank you so much for your kind words, Rikin. So what did you do exactly in an area of your life, of your personal life, that I suppose you had a challenge regarding your relationship and you are looking out for a life partner, a dream life partner for yourself.
Yeah.
And so what exactly did you do, and in terms of which was different than what you would be doing otherwise? Yeah.
Actually, I had implemented the goals of Think and Grow Rich, which were the affirmations. It was of the goal cards and also of imagination. I imagined a beautiful life partner for myself. I also created a space for her in my own bedroom. In my own wardrobe also, I created some space for her clothes in my home. I kept a goal card with myself. I used to read it daily. I read it daily even today.
Amazing.
And of course, my affirmations was of I can do it. That was my main affirmation, which helped me in my personal life and in my professional life. So it was very grateful. I was really grateful to Think and Grow Rich principles, because without implementing, I don't think I would have been in the stage today.
I think Rikin, all credit goes to you, because what you did was something completely out of the box. Because when I told you that you got to create the space in your life for your life partner to come in, and when I told you to have an wardrobe empty for her clothes to come in,
yes.
When I told you to sleep on one side of the bed as if she's already there in your life, and that was so impractical. You were looking at my face and I was telling you, Rikin, you do this. But hats off to you that you trusted every single word which I told you, that you created the space. Otherwise, it's so impractical for a person to empty a wardrobe in his bedroom for a life partner who is still not coming. So that's really something which you did it. So all credit goes to you. Thank you so much for that. Anything which you would like to share that now, since I think the great day for you was in the month of March, 12th March, is it? Yeah.
12th March.
12th March. Oh, wow. Congratulations once again for your,
Thank you.
So that's really, and I wish you great relationship ahead. So tell me something about now, since you know the power of Think and Grow Rich, now you know the power of the affirmations, now you know the power of the auto suggestion technique, now you know the power of the goal cards. What is the power of goal cards? What is something which you are doing right now in terms of, taking your life to the next level?
For taking my life to the next level, I read books daily,
Mm-hmm.
and I also implement them as soon as possible.
Mm-hmm.
I take actions as fast as possible. Before joining Think and Grow Rich Academy, my source of income was just one.
Mm-hmm.
Today, now it has increased to around 4 sources of income.
Amazing.
So yeah, so not just personally but also financially, I have increased by God's grace and by uh, the help of Think and Grow Rich book. It has really helped me in every area of my life, and I have become very optimistic for my future also,
Of
not
course.
just for the present but also for the future, because I have started planning everything. I know when we plan everything, when we auto suggest everything to the subconscious mind, the subconscious mind will listen to us and also act according to our wish.
Brilliant. You
I have been
brilliant. You
doing.
got it. Brilliant, Rikin. That's the real source of it. People understand this. They know about this, but they don't implement it.
Yes.
They just know about it. They don't know it actually. So you are actually
Yes. Yes.
now going to the core of it, that you're actually implementing
Yes.
it. And yeah, so having
And before joining the academy, I used to read only one book. Around today, I mean, this past 6 months, I have read around 10 books.
what are you
So it's
saying?
a
Oh
yeah.
yeah,
So it's a
that is
good,
good.
and I'm implementing it also. Not just reading it, implementing it also.
Of
So
course.
it's all, the benefit, all the credit goes to Think and Grow Rich Academy.
The credit. Thank you so much for that. We are just a catalyst, Rikin, and we are so happy to see your success. So let me just understand this. When you entered the academy, one source of income. Now you got four sources of income. And when I was doing a research that of the most really wealthy people in the world, one common thing
Yeah.
which is there, which you'll be also aware of, Rikin, that they all have multiple sources of income,
Source
right?
of income.
And you are
Yes.
on track of having different sources of income. And the beauty of having multiple sources of income is that although they are not of the equal size, but they all come
Yes.
into our account. They all come into my account.
As Warren Buffett said, na, because we should not keep all our hands in one particular bucket. We should,
Yeah.
diversify everything. So it's really beneficial.
Yeah, and now you have become a reader, and not just a reader. You implement the reading, whatever you're doing it, and I can see the smile and the charm on your face. I remember when I met you first time at
Thank you.
Hilton, and then we went
Yes, yes,
yeah,
yes,
for
yes.
coffee break, and that's what amazing. I'm so happy for you and your better half.
Thank you so much.
So
Thank you so much.
something which you would like to share for people who are thinking, what is Think and Grow Rich? I can read the book. What is the difference of joining the program? Why should I join the program? I can read the book. I can listen. What is the real difference? Why should one come into our
I
academy?
feel without joining the program, the concepts of Think and Grow Rich can't be understood.
Hmm.
See, Think and Grow Rich is a book which has to be implemented, not just read.
Very
There are
nice.
many books in the world.
Yeah.
Some books can be just read and implemented, but this book is to be read first, then implemented with the help of a life coach.
Right. Right.
Other books you can read and implement somewhat.
Right.
They can give you solutions for your anxiety, solutions for your business problems. But this book needs to be read, implemented, and also with the help of a coach, because it is not so easy to implement it also.
True.
It is very in depth.
True.
It is very in depth.
True. Yeah.
That's what I feel. It's very, very important to have a coach like Siddharth.
Thank you so much. I remember we used to have these 3-hour sessions, and we used to go deep diving
Yeah.
in every concept. Take one
Yeah,
step and then.
it's very deep. It's very deep. I read many books. It's not, no book is as in depth as Think and Grow Rich.
Yeah. Thank you so much for
It
that.
is to the core.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, the principles do work. Yeah, so that's
Yeah.
something which is there, that people say reading the book or listening to the audio is not sufficient, because they might just get an
No.
concept which is just at the conceptual level, but not actually at the
Yeah.
implementation level, would not happen. So that's the real
Yes.
essence of why it should come into our academy. Great.
Yes.
So some final tips, Rikin. You are a success story for us. You have entered the Carnegie Club of Success. Something which you would, final words from your end in terms of what is there for you in the future, in terms of your business goals, in terms of your personal goals, or something which you would like to give a last message to our audience.
I will just say it's very important to have a life coach, first of all, to know your life goals, because without knowing the life goals, it can't be achieved only, first of all. And when we achieve it with the help of a life coach, the journey becomes very easy. As far as my personal goals are concerned, I want to increase my sources of income as more as possible. From 4, I want to go to 7 sources of income, and I will definitely achieve it slowly. But it's very, very important to have a life coach. Life is incomplete without a life partner and a life coach. That's what I can say.
Very well said. Very well said. I think
both of them have a very, very crucial importance in life.
Very well said. Yeah.
Life coach and life partner, both of them are very important.
Yeah, with a life coach and a life partner, your life is sorted. And I can say that. But I think
really, man.
No, I think Rikin, I can see the enthusiasm in your voice. I can see the smile on your face, and I'm so glad and happy about you and your better half. So I would really like to give my wishes to you and your better half to have a beautiful life ahead. I would also, I'm there with you. You have got 4 sources of income, and I'm there till we have 7 sources of income. So we are there together for that.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, and I wish you great, all the best. That's Rikin Miyani for you, ladies and gentlemen, a young entrepreneur who has understood what's the value of the attitude, what's the value of implementing Think and Grow Rich, what's the value of having a rich life, not just rich in terms of money in the bank. He has got tons of money in the bank, but also having a great life partner with which he could enjoy that much money in the bank. He went out of the box. He did something which was not there at all possible. I mean, imagine impractical things of doing, creating a space in the bedroom for the wardrobe, as if the life partner has already arrived in his life, sleeping besides on one side of the bed, as if the partner is already sleeping besides him. Completely out of the box stuff, but he is a real one of the best students which I have gotten, I could say that, who believed in me, and I told him to do this, and he did it, and he got the results. So that's the power of Think and Grow Rich. This is, I would say, if you would like to come and see and experience what kind of programs we do, just click on the link below and enter the academy and make a difference in your life. Not just in terms of money in the bank, but having a better life. Well, that's Think and Grow Rich. This is Siddharth Shah. I am the CEO of Think and Grow Rich Academy. Thank you so much for watching our video. Bye-bye.